Hello and welcome to Indicator Warehouse. Today's video is for October 27th of 2014, and you guys are currently looking at a Raptor trade that I took here at we'll call it right around 7:20 Eastern Standard Time for the CL1214 contract. Things are moving a little bit slow right now as we are pre-markets. But I've got my stop set there in accordance with what my Trailblazer is telling me. Took my signal exactly where I was supposed to at 80.43. I've got a 10-tick profit target, a 20-tick profit target, and I have got number 3 set up to be a runner. So we're not going to sit there and stare at this sucker. As you can see, it is moving pretty slow. So I'm going to pause the video and we're going to be back to take a look at this thing once we start to get some movement. Well, all right, my friends, we've been in this trade for quite a while. We're taking a little bit of heat on this one. Kind of anticipated the consolidation here with the CL due to the fact that we did have this big drop off here with the London Open. Another thing I need to bring up, frankly, the Brits they're a little ahead of us when it comes to the daylight savings time. So I'm going to pause the video yet one more time here, and let's keep an eye on this and see where we go. All right, well, there we go. We've got yet another Raptor signal right here. I'd say we're going to need to break that 40 level, I think, in order for us to get down there to the first target. So once again, I'm going to pause the video and we'll come back and check on the trade in a bit. All right, wow, I just sat and watched that. That was a quick pop there to the downside. Next thing we're going to need to break is we're going to need to break Friday's low back here, which is down at about 80.35. I think if we tag 28 here, we should be able to go down to 23 and take out that second target. So let's just be patient. Trailblazer's got my stop, and I'll be back in a bit to check on this one. All right, well, I'm a couple of ticks away. It looks like, oh, come on. I'm just going to grab this one.
Order filled.
There we go. Now what I'm going to do, just to play it safe here, I'm going to go ahead and take contract number 3 to break even. I am now in a free trade. Trailblazer will pick this up. Should price travel lower, but I already got 2 nice little winners on my hand this morning, and don't want to turn a winner into a loser. All right, currently still holding our own here. Trailblazer's got my stop. I'm protecting 2 ticks on number 3. We'll see if she continues to break down a little bit further. Maybe get a bigger runner here out of number 3. But either way, profit targets number 1 and 2 are off there. All right, here we are back down here on the lows of the day here at 15. Let's see if she's got enough juice to get through. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna protect this guy like 1 or 2. I'm gonna go 2 more ticks. So I'm protecting 5 on number 3. If she's gonna break down, now would be the time. We'll be back to check on her in a bit. Holy smokes, there was a quick pop. Look at that. TB's got me protecting 260 on my runner. Let's see if she keeps going here. Although, looks like we are starting to get some buyers coming in here. Come on, get back down there. You know what? Trailblazer's got my back. I'm just going to let my automated strategy manage my stop. We'll check on it here in a few minutes. All right. Well, we are currently protecting $280 on this third CL contract here. Looks like we've got a little bit of a pause here. Next step is going to be to break down here below 79.85 where my ultimate support and resistance is. Perhaps our next stopping point down here maybe around 79.35, 36. We'll see where the trade takes us. Either way, like I said, target 1, 10 ticks off, 20 ticks off, and now I'm working with my runner. Really paid off to be patient and just let my Trailblazer manage my stop. All right, I'll tell you what, it looks like I've been spared by a couple of ticks, and down we go again. Down we go again. Let's see if she's got the juice to break through. Let's see what we can get out of number 3 here. Come on, baby. Push down there. Push down. I'll tell you, probably next stop, 79.50 maybe. Got a nice profit built up here right now. I could actually close this trade, and this would be a good trade. Not bad for first trade of the morning. All right, well, we broke down here below that 79.85 level I was talking about, right around 9 o'clock East Coast open here for the CL. Original entry was all the way back here. Let's go ahead and put that on here real quick. Go in here, and let's go ahead and let's plot this. Text and markers, okay. You can see where 1 and 2 came off back here. And number 3 is my runner, currently protecting $540. Pause the video here. We'll come back and check on our trade in just a little bit. All right, so you can see where my 2% stop would be if I were to accept it. We've already had a pretty sizable move down. We're right after the East Coast Open. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to accept this and tighten the stop up just a little bit here. I want to protect the profit that I have here on number 3. There we have it. So currently protecting 60 ticks. 60 ticks on contract number 3. We'll find out how we shook out here in just a bit. All right, we're still running here. Protecting 76 ticks on number 3. Original Raptor entry back here. Right about 7:18 Eastern Standard Time. I've changed my ATR to 2% to protect a little bit more profit. We ought to be due for some retracement here in just a bit. Stop the video and then let's see what she does. Currently, I've been in this trade now for just over 2 hours. So the initial stop that I had is 2.618. Man, we'll preview button that. So it's a little bit taller stop. I mean, the stops are adjustable with a Trailblazer. What have I been? Oh, it spared me by 1 tick here. I've been spared by 1 tick. I'm going to leave it set at 2% as we really need to get through this 79.50 level. This is a good place for it to bounce. We'll see if it does or not. If we can get down there below that 79.50 mark, we should be cooking with gas. We should be cooking with gas. We'll find out here soon enough. Alrighty, my friends. Taken out on that. Taken out. Nice. Scored 104 ticks with the 3 lot. Nice looking trade. Nice trade for the day. I'll tell you, I'm done trading for the day. That's that.